Good morning. It's early in the morning and the weather is starting to feel like fall, you know, like that cold weather. So I went to Starbucks and got a pink drink. I know I didn't get coffee, but I wanted a pink drink. My makeup routine a little bit. I'm gonna show you like the products I'm gonna be using. Do a fall look for y'all, and let's get right into this video. So before we get into today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That means so much to me. And don't forget to turn on your notifications so you can be notified. Oh my god, I gotta fix my hair. I have my hair in like a low triangle so my hair can get on my face. My clips in my hair so I can get the little flyaways out of my face. I love these clips. If you haven't already, go to Amazon and get these clips because they are amazing. They keep your hair out of the way. Any type of makeup look, I like to put some type of like serum. So I'm just going to use the ordinary hyaluronic acid for my face, just like a drop. So for moisturizer, I'm going to use my Tulip. And to go with that, I'm going to put some of my Laneige lip mask on because my lips do feel a little dry. So my face is really prepped and ready to go. So I'm going to quickly do my eyebrows. I'm just going to use my Anyssa dip pomade. Okay, wait, so I just did my eyebrows, my Cosmetics. So I'm going to put this on my face. Shade medium if you're wondering. And then I'm gonna use my little bit of my concealer. So I'm just gonna, so for a fall makeup idea, oh look, there's Miley. She's gonna go cuddle on my blanket. So for fall makeup look, I was the cranberry with the brown mix of it. This was my go-to like in high school. I used eyeshadow look that I really love. So I was like, why not share with my booze? And I don't think I ever showed a tutorial, so I was like, why not? It's like the perfect fall eyeshadow look. I definitely need to get some nail hardener because my nails are so thin right now and they hurt when I grab stuff because they've been back. I'm gonna do a little bit of cream contouring. So the cream contour I have with me is my Patrick Ta brush, and just like lightly pat it on my cheeks to give me some definition. So I'm just gonna get a thin brush and then like do my nose contour. So I'm just gonna get a lot of this, and then I'm just gonna follow where the light is hitting my nose. Like I can see where I should contour. Did my nose contour, so now I'm gonna get my powder, my SPN powder. I'm gonna put this one under my eyes and I'm gonna put this one all over my face. I forgot to use this product I got at Target. So my mom, I got one of these for my mom for her spooky basket, and I think I say Jason Woo. I honestly don't know how to say it, pronounce it, but this can be used as a lip, cheek, and eyes, like a cream, and it looks like a lipstick, but oh, I can. Look how cute that is. Oh my god, it's like really. So I'm just getting my brush and I'm just flicking it because I don't want to like put it on there. And I'm lightly packing it. Oh, I did too much. Oh shoot. I'm gonna say this works. I mean, it's not too much. I'm gonna like tone it down a little bit, but I'm not gonna put blush because this gives me blush already. So I really like this so far. So you can use it as a lipstick, a cheek tint, and eyes. You put this on your eyes because it says on the packaging. And this is the color I picked out. That's number 5, and it was $11.99 at Target. And so far, I'm digging it. I got my mom like a darker one, like a really berry one because that's the one she wanted. So whenever she opens it, I'll tell you if it looks cute or not. So for bronzer, I'm going to use my MAC Give Me Sun bronzer. I love this stuff. I use this stuff all the time ever since I got it. So I'm going to put this all over my face. Just kind of like pat it. And it gives me that nice sun-kissed glow right where like my bronzer's at. So go right on top of it. Ooh, my cream nose contour. My nose contour is looking good today. Yes. Okay, okay. So now I'm just gonna refresh my face, and I'm just gonna use my Pacifica setting spray. I don't like this anymore, so I don't recommend it anymore because I don't like it. I just not feeling it anymore, and I just have to use it because I have like very little left, and I have no more setting spray, so I'm just trying to hurry up and use it up. But the one I'm gonna go for is the Morphe one. That one's like blonde. Okay, so for highlighter, I'm gonna use my Anyssa Emery. I'm just gonna put the high point of my face like that. I'm just gonna do it high point to my face, look at that nice glow, and then for my nose. This is my go-to fall eyeshadow look. This is the palette I use. So this is the Jacqueline Hill palette from the Morphe collection. And you can just see all of these beautiful burgundy, brown, and shimmer shades in here, and a pop of color in the corner. So I'm gonna get a blending brush, make sure it's clean. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with that shade right here as my crease color. Put this all over my crease, just blending motions. This one right next is a little bright, so I'm gonna get a different brush maybe. Just like that. I'm just gonna once and then put it right there to start it off. Go in with this shade, and then we're going to same brush. So I'm just gonna go one tap, and I'm just gonna pat it. So if you just want to remember, I only use these for eyeshadow. So I did this one first, then I went to the next one, and then I went to that one. So now I'm on this one. So I'm going to use the same brush, and I'm going to do 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now we're going to use this dark brown shade. With a little bit of the brown. I'm going with this brown and deepen up my inner corner. So for mascara, I'm going to put on my Lash Essence. This is a really good mascara. If you haven't tried it already, this is really good. So I'm just going to put this on my top and bottom lashes. We're going to let that sit. So for lashes, I'm going to wear some Dollar Tree lashes. I honestly don't know the name. Let me see if I can look for it. Okay, look, I believe these are the ones. They're wispy long, crisscross. These are the ones I am wearing. I don't believe they sell them anymore. If they have them at Dollar Tree, then definitely go get them if you see them because they are amazing. And the price is bomb because, of course, it's $1. So, our makeup looks so bomb. I'm gonna set my eyebrows with my 3D Brow Setter by Benefit. This is really good if you haven't tried it. I tried out the mini size and it's really bomb. So I'm definitely gonna get the full size when I'm done with this one. For a lip liner, I'm gonna use my NYX New Truffle. I'm gonna outline my lips right now. So for my lipstick, I got this new lipstick from MAC and it's called Cherish. It's a really pretty fall color. And I'm gonna put this in the center of my lips. And that's the lip combo. Really like this lip combo. It goes really great with the makeup look. So now I can put on my falsies. I have to go get my glue gun to my purse. My nails keep bending. Okay, so here is the final product. Oh my god, it looks so good. I'm obsessed. This is like the total fall makeup look, and I did put on some jewelry to add a little extra touch. That's what it looks like. It looks super good. Oh my god, I'm kind of like going a little watery because the sun's in my face, but it looks super nice with my lip combo. And I hope you guys enjoyed. So I hope you guys enjoyed my makeup look. It looks super good. I tried showing y'all in the natural sunlight. It's very fall vibes, and I love my lip combo. So if you're needing like a new lip combo, New Truffle by NYX and MAC Cherish, and it's a really cute fall color with the shadow look. Like, you can't go wrong. It's like a cranberry smoky brown look. And this is always my go-to because it's really nice and easy to do. And you can just use one palette and all your colors are in there. But yeah, I really love how this came out. My cheeks look really good. See, because the bronzer and the highlight kind of like settle it down because I put a little way too much, remember? But yeah, it looks super good. I love how it came out. And I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see y'all guys next time. Bye!